Today's news, 2nd July 2020. Good morning, you are listening Kanchan Bhati, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been asked to vacate the Delhi bungalow allotted by the centre within 1 month. The decision was taken by Cabinet Committee. Yoga Guru Ramdev has said there are no Ayush Ministry restrictions on selling Coronel after the ministry confirmed Patanjali can sell it but not as a cure for COVID-19. The Haryana Directorate School Education on Wednesday issued a notification saying the school in the state will reopen on July 27. It declared summer vacations in all schools of the state from July 1st till July 20. Section 144 imposed in Mumbai till July 15 aimed rising COVID-19 cases. 500 plus COVID-19 deaths reported in India in 24 hours and death toll crossed 17,000. As a part of an initiative by the Kerala Prison Correctional Service Department, the prison inmates made 10 lakh masks in 3 months. The department decided to start the production of masks due to a shortage after COVID-19 outbreak. Israel unlikely to annex West Bank today, Foreign Minister. Major General Nigara Zohar has become the first female officer to be promoted to the rank of Lieutenant General in Pakistan Army. US President Donald Trump said that he was going more and more angry to China as he watches the COVID-19 pandemic spread its ugly face all across the world, in the US where it has done tremendous damage. Canada extends ban of foreign travelers till July 31st due to COVID-19 pandemic. I, Kanchan Bhati, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.